Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy stock? In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 29th of July 2025, our system has classified MicroStrategy as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.88. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, realizing a gain of 0.1%. This equates to an average return of 0.05% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock has broken the wide and weak rising short-term trend downward. This signals a slower rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. With the trend being broken, there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $395.11. A reaction back to this level might present a second chance to exit before further declines. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 6.41% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 6.43% and 24.02%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 68.32%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 36.44% to 179.28% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $538.98 and $1,103.25. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy includes the headline, MicroStrategy Incorporated stock upgraded to sell candidate. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price gained approximately 0.0963% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 30th of July, 2025. The stock rose from $394.66 to $395.04. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3%, with a day low of $392.60 and a day high of $404.39. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 13.35% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 7 million shares being traded for approximately $2.92 billion. It's important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock was $543, while the lowest price was $102.40. Currently, the price is 27.25%, or $147.96, below the 52-week high of $543, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy's recent developments are significant. The company has successfully completed an initial public offering of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock, valued at $2.521 billion. This marks the largest initial public offering in the United States for the year and is a notable move in the cryptocurrency space. This influx of capital is expected to enhance MicroStrategy's Bitcoin acquisitions, further solidifying its position as the world's largest corporate holder of Bitcoin, currently owning approximately 607,770 Bitcoins, valued at around $71.96 billion. Adding to the positive momentum, MicroStrategy's quarterly results are anticipated to reflect strong software subscription revenues, alongside gains from its Bitcoin holdings. Recent analysis indicates that despite an impressive 131% rise over the past year, the stock's premium valuation may render it somewhat risky in the current market. On the regulatory front, shareholder litigation is looming, as QAnon Law is investigating potential breaches of fiduciary duties by company officers. This could influence investor sentiment and lead to volatility in the short term. In light of these developments, investors may respond positively to earnings expectations and the capital from the initial public offering, which is likely to support the stock in the short term. Over the long term, MicroStrategy's trajectory will depend heavily on the performance of the Bitcoin market and effectively navigating potential legal challenges. Consequently, the stock may experience fluctuations driven by both operational success and market conditions. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned MSTR a buy rating alongside a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, it was reported that Canaccord Genuity also rated MSTR as a buy with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned MSTR a hold rating with a hold action. Similarly, on that day, Barclays rated MSTR with a hold action and a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS gave MSTR a buy rating along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to MicroStrategy stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 29th of July, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 0.0963%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite price gains, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. This stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. MicroStrategy Incorporated stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at $407.63 and $402.64. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 21 days ago. In examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 70 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 61 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $383.88. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with robust trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $11.79 between its high and low, which is a change of 3%. In the past week, the stock demonstrated a daily average volatility of 3.23%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for MicroStrategy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial measure assesses a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is experiencing losses. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at -12 cents. Pay close attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy is at $414.38. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportune moment for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy encounters its first support level at $383.88. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let us examine some recent insider trades. On the 29th of July, 2025, Peter Brigger Jr. conducted an insider purchase of 220,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the 29th of July, 2025, Fong Lei conducted an insider purchase of 5,500 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the 29th of July, 2025, Jared M. Patton conducted an insider purchase of 5,555 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the 29th of July, 2025, Janine Montgomery conducted an insider purchase of 5,000 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. On the 29th of July, 2025, Andrew Kang conducted an insider purchase of 2,800 shares of Series A perpetual stretch preferred stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of approximately 19.914. Overall, insiders purchased 378,164 shares and sold 256,234 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroStrategy stock a good buy? The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated exhibits several negative signals. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that MicroStrategy Incorporated will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have revised our assessment of this stock from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 31st of July, we expect MicroStrategy to open higher by $2.30, starting at $397.34. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.